Hi, I'm Amanda Olson from IntimateRose.com, and I'm a doctor of physical therapy and certified pelvic floor rehabilitation specialist. And I'm extremely excited to announce that I've published my first book, Restoring the Pelvic Floor for Women. And this book is going to give you a more in-depth look at what the pelvic floor actually is, what it does, what its role is in women's health, and how certain injuries or life events can lead to injury to the pelvic floor, and how to manage that and common bowel and bladder and pelvic pain issues in a more natural way to avoid surgery. So this book is for women that are experiencing urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, constipation, urinary frequency, bladder irritation or bladder pain, pelvic floor pain, or women that just have not felt like themselves after a certain injury like childbirth or a fall pertaining to the pelvic floor. So what you'll find in this book is you'll find my story about how I came to be a pelvic floor rehabilitation specialist. You'll find some each chapter dedicated to a different issue. So one for urinary incontinence, one for constipation. You will find what to eat and what not to eat so that your bladder is happier, and you'll find exercises on how to strengthen the pelvic floor, an entire chapter on pelvic pain with how to relax the pelvic floor, how to use breathing to help address a lot of common issues with both the bladder and with pelvic pain. And you'll find a few stories in there from the clinic too, just to help give you some hope and help you to understand that you're not alone. And a lot of women are living with these very common but very fixable conditions. So the book, Restoring the Pelvic Floor, is available on Amazon.com, and I look forward to getting your feedback.